Okay, here how I create the title, caption, alt text, and description for each photo. You go to ChatGPT, and I'm using the old GPT 4.0 because it gotta be simple. Then I go to my SKU. I open the SKU, and then I have a title right in here. Copy. Of course, I have created already all the images in Canva. Go to ChatGPT. Boom. And I will write create title, alt text, and alt text caption and description, including number 2 project sofa and recliner repair. Keywords. All right, and now I attach the photos. Boom, photo attached, and let him spill out them. What we need, okay, title, copy, boom, boom, and you're done. Then you have alt text, caption, and product description, and you can put it into the WordPress when you're adding the photo. You want the second one, you just drop next one, and you don't even have to tell him anything. You just go, boom, and he popping up everything by himself. Third picture, boom, here we go. What I always do, I tell him to memorize the way we are creating an SEO meta description for product page images. Boom, and he will memorize everything for you. Okay, that's it.